depression cake from the 1930s. A tenement home. Tenement is a room forming a separate within apartment, mainly for immigrants or people that just didn't have a lot of money. Today, we have cooking with us is Mr. Charlie Chaplin and Mrs. Princess Peach. Mrs. Princess Peach, can you preheat the oven to 350, please?
Of course, Mario. Mario, are you going to list the ingredients? Mario!
Toad, this is not your video! Sorry, Princess, let's get started. Make sure you get all of it in there. Oops. Next will be the cocoa powder. Perfect. Ah, sugary goodness. Alright, now let's give it a nice stir before we add in that oil. Alright, let's add in that oil. First one ingredient of this cake. Perfect.
Oh, Mario, that's coming off.
Thank you, Peach. Charlie, you have anything to say over there?
Mario?
What?
He can't talk.
Why is that?
He's a mime. Do you know what a mime is?
No.
He's a silent film comedian. He started the silent film industry.
Oh, okay, so that's why he can't talk.
Exactly.
Alright, we'll keep stirring this. Alright, now it's time to add the rest of the wet ingredients. Vinegar, water, and the vanilla. Sorry I stalled there. Let's add the vinegar first. Let's add the vanilla. Perfect. It's spilled! Who cares? I'm cleaning up anyways. Let's add the water, the last wet ingredient. It's time to go in the oven. Wait, we don't have an oven.
Mario?
What?
Miss Alice White, downstairs, has a community oven for all the tenement residents here.
Perfect! We'll go ask her for her oven. It's time to put it in the oven. Thank you, Miss Alice White, for letting us use the community oven. Charlie! I thought you were still dating that Mildred Harris, that 16-year-old wife-to-be. Now knock it out, Charlie. We gotta get this cake in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Our cake is ready. Our 1930s depression cake is finally done. Thank you for joining us for another Cooking with Chef Mario. Let's dig in. Subscribe for more.